Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. So all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's very easy to find. I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those links are going to take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past, so that's all there for you guys if you guys are interested. But let's get into today's video. First up, we are looking at the Tekton 5-inch angle nose slip joint pliers, half-inch jaw, made in the USA. Tekton does offer a handful of pliers that are made in the USA. They do have a 3-piece set in the 3 different sizes, 5, 7, and 10 inch for $45. The 5-inch is at $15.20, down from $16. The 7-inch is $18, down from $19. And the 10-inch is down to $20 from $21. Either way, all 3 of them, not a big sale on them, but just a few pliers that even at their full price are a good quality set of pliers. Not overpriced, not over-engineered, just some simple pliers that work the way they should. And honestly, I have a set of these 5 and 7-inch, and the 5s, both of them have been fantastic, but like I love the fact that I can throw these in my pocket. I don't even realize, it's not like a big bulky set of pliers. And these things, just the minor adjustability that you got there, they're really handy little pliers. Very small, compact, yet very, very versatile. So whether you're looking for a 5, 7, or 10-inch, they got them all on sale right now. A little bit of savings, not a whole lot, but a little bit of savings, and they're made in the USA. Don't think you can really go wrong. This has 4.5 stars with 438 ratings. Next up, we're looking at another set of pliers, one that I personally own. This is the Tsunoda KRP-150s. This is multi-purpose long nose pliers, 6 inches long, $15.29, not on sale, priced extremely well. Made in Japan, very high quality, very good finish, very comfortable, very, very versatile. Now, if you're one that's just looking for long nose pliers, Tsunoda does have tons of other options. But if you're looking for one with a lot of options, this has the fine teeth up at the nose. Then you move into an open jaw. Then you move into a wire splitter, then you move into a crimper, and then you move into a wire stripper, and then you move into a cutter, and then you even have some fine teeth behind the joint as well. So a lot of features in a very compact size, and just really good quality and very, very versatile. There you can see the jaws opened up. There you can see the crimper, stripper, cutter, fine teeth up front, and there's the packaging, made in Japan. And I think for the quality of pliers and all of the features that you get in this for $15, I think that's a smoking deal. This has 4.5 stars with 45 ratings. Here's one that I don't have experience with, but is one that I started seeing, I believe maybe it was last year. I'm not 100% sure. It wasn't too long ago. I've seen them in Lowe's. I haven't used them, and I think from what I remember, they had them locked up in a glass case. But I'm really interested to see what people think about these. They seem to be rated highly and with a decent amount of reviews. This is the Klein Tools ratcheting wrench set. This is the SAE set, 8 pieces, 5/16 to 3/4. It does come with a foam pouch, 90 tooth design, and the metric set is also the same price. We'll go ahead and switch to metric. I find myself using metric more. I hope Klein continues to move more of their stuff into the metric realm. I know they're geared more towards electricians and occupations where you find yourself using SAE more often, but I think they would open themselves up to a wider base of people that would purchase their stuff if they offered more metric stuff. So I am interested in these. A little bit different design. A couple things that I don't like about them. A couple things that I do. I like the overall design. It's kind of I don't know, not going to say pro or con. I like the shape of them, but I also don't like the shape. Like, I like the overall design. I think they're a little beefy in places that they could, trim away some excess. One of the things that I don't like about them is the fact that it is extremely hard to see the size of the wrench. They do have them color coded. It looks like it's just painted on though, and it looks like that's going to rub off real quick. And then they have like the, I don't know if this is painted or laser etched in for the direction of the ratcheting mechanism. I could care less about that. You could leave that and do that to the size markings. I'll take the size markings being visible over anything else. They look like if you wanted a wrench set that didn't look cheap but also looked like a Warhammer, like I don't know how to explain it. Like in some, like this, the ratcheting end on this smaller size, this is the 8mm, so there does tend to be more material around the smaller ones. But just seeing that, like a lot of the cheaper wrench sets tend to have a lot more material around the ratcheting mechanism and the open ends. But then again, like this whole wrench is like beefy to me. They look extremely durable. No fancy open end features or anything like that, but I don't know. There's things that I like about it, but also don't like about it. But it is also $80, which honestly isn't bad. 8 to 19mm. There are skips though. It's extremely hard to see. 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19. So there are a few skips. You're not getting 9, 11, 16, or 18. Figured I'd at least get your guys' input on what are your guys' thoughts on them. Are they even worth looking at? This one I just have mixed feelings about, but it has 4.7 stars with 58 ratings at $80. Next up, we have the Milwaukee 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive 106-piece ratchet and socket set. This is for the Milwaukee packout. This is both metric and SAE at $236, down from a typical price of $249. So a little bit of savings there. Now, while you might be able to find this on certain websites for around this price, a lot of them actually do sell around $250 to $300, which I think is outrageous. I still think this is really high, but I have the pack out and I can completely understand why people purchase it, just because of the convenience of it. I like the Milwaukee quality. Socket design's a little bit awkward, a little bit different. Ratchets, I've really enjoyed the ratchets. I've owned their long locking 1/4 inch drive for I don't know how many years, and it's one of my favorite ratchets. So I think they did a good job on their ratchets. Sockets, I think the quality is good, just a little awkward with that square shape. And it's a well put together set, very versatile, but to me, like, it's a $150 set, and it's been bumped to a $250 set because it's in a pack out container, which is unfortunate. But once again, I can also completely understand it. If I didn't already have my socket drawer like built out in my pack out already, I would still consider this. And that's the unfortunate thing. That's probably why the prices are still there, because plenty of people still buy them. But who am I to say you're too expensive? It does sell $239. It's been as high as $256. It did drop to $225, $223, probably for like one day at $223, 2 or 3 days at $225. And then that it has been $235 or above, up to $260. So I don't think $235 is terrible when you look at the overall pricing of what it typically sells for. This has 4.7 stars with 913 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Capri Tools 3/8 drive shallow and deep chrome socket set. This is a 6-point socket set, 8 to 22mm, no skips, 30 pieces, $62.66, down from a typical price of $68. They do have many different offerings as well. Shallow and deep in SAE, 5/16 to 1 inch at $65. Just the deep set, shallow and deep with the Westling billet aluminum socket organizer, 8 to 22 just deep well, just shallow and deep on the Westling organizer. But we're just looking at the shallow and deep without the organizer because you save about $40, which I love the Westling socket organizer. But I think this is a really good price for this 30-piece set. Really good coverage, 8 to 22, no skips, really good quality sockets. Really good chrome, really good fitment. Capri Tools is a brand that I've been using for many years now, and they're one of my go-to brands when looking for specific tools. Their wave drive, what they use for preventing rounding off fasteners. Overall, I just really enjoy their quality of tools, and anytime I find them on sale, I definitely think it's a consideration if you're in the market for the item itself. But this has 4.6 stars with 191 ratings. Next up is one that I don't have experience with. I do have experience with universal chrome sockets, and I also have experience with spring-loaded universal joints. Titan has went ahead and combined the two. So this is made in the same warehouse, I believe, as Motive X. They used to sell a spring-loaded universal joint. Well, Titan now sells this, but instead of being a universal joint, you have a universal socket set. And just looking at this, they went shallow with these puppies. Like, look at that 6mm. Like, that's pretty impressive. And it's kind of like that brushed chrome look. It does seem to be. And then they got a blue anodized center section. The thing that I like about this is that they are spring loaded. I didn't even know these existed until, I don't know, 5-6 years ago when I got my first spring loaded universal joint. I thought that was fantastic because anytime, you know what we all do, we wrap electrical tape around the universal joint to try and keep it from hanging too much when a socket's on it, or if you're trying to hold it in a specific position to try and get on a fastener in a certain location. These are nice because they just hold straight, and then once you get to the fastener, you can kind of force it over, and it just works really well. I haven't had any issues. Now, it's not the universal joint that I just grab every single time. Whenever I go to grab a universal, if I grab it, I grab it. But anytime I have used it, it has been really nice. This includes 6, 7, 8, skips 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So here you can see it auto flex, returns to center. Blue electrostatic finish. 360 degrees of rotation is a 12-point socket, chrome vanadium steel. Integrated size marking on the inside. Hey, at least I don't think you should have to worry about it rubbing off or disappearing when it is located right there. This is at $61.85, down from a list price of $70. This has 4.4 stars at 3 ratings, so it's not the cheapest set out there, but you will also find it around the $55 price range, so you can find it with a little bit more savings. They're not the most expensive, they're also not the highest quality, but they do have a good feature that I've enjoyed. Now, if you're not wanting to spend the $60, you can also buy the universal joint by themselves as the 3-piece set for $22.43, down from a list price of $24. You get all 3 drive sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive, spring loaded, just like the universal socket set, but at a third of the price. And you can just put your own socket on there. Or if you know you might only use 1/4 inch or just 3/8, then you can just get the 1/4 inch for $8, the 1/2 inch drive for $12, or the 3/8 for $11. And then if you need some length, they also offer this, which is something that I haven't seen before. So it is a 6-inch auto flex universal joint extension adapter. So it's got your 1/4 inch drive on the end. You got a 6-inch extension with a spring-loaded universal joint at the end. I think that's pretty cool. You got knurling at the base to hold the socket while trying to articulate into those really awkward situations. I think this is like a hex base at the bottom over here, maybe for really awkward situations where you got to get in there with a wrench on there instead of a ratchet. I don't really know, but they got 1/4 inch drive, 3/8. This one's $18. The 3/8 drive, $14, down from $18. They got a 3-piece set, all 3 drive sizes, the same, basically the price of that set that we were originally looking at. Definitely some interesting sets from Titan. I'll have all 3 designs that we looked at today linked down in the description, and then if you're interested in the other ones, they just got all these drop downs over here, so you'll be able to find them from there. This has 4.8 stars with 167 ratings. Next up, real quickly, we're looking at another Labear product. This is a brand that I found maybe 2 years ago, and I've been slowly mentioning some of their products that I come across. This is one that I hadn't seen before. This is their 1/4 inch bit adapter. It is a magnetic swiveling bit adapter. My buddy, one of his favorite bit adapters is a 1/4 inch drive DeWalt swivel adapter. And so it's basically the same design, but made by DeWalt. But when I saw that Labear had one, I figured it was worth a mention. This has 4.3 stars, 85 ratings, $9.64. There you can see the design with a locking ring 20-degree pivot angle, 360 degrees worth of rotation, push forward to basically unlock the swivel portion. There you can see the overall length of it compared to some of their other bit or adapters. It hasn't went on sale. I think this is a not brand new, but a newer product from Labear, and it has not been on sale in the 2 or 3 months that I've been tracking the price. So here we're looking at a WorkPro product. This is a brand that I've mentioned a couple times in the past, but I don't mention a whole lot. Anytime I come across an item that I believe is a good deal, I'll mention it. But they have some cheaper stuff, and then they have some good quality stuff that is usually priced pretty decent. So I like to mention them whenever I can find something. This looks like a good product for a good price. So I have owned a miniature set of Knipex. This was many years ago, over 10 years ago that I've had this, so they don't even make this anymore. Knipex now has their new design water pump and Cobras, or their Cobras and their pliers wrench. They have miniatures of those now. They didn't have those. I have a small like set of water pump pliers. Like, I want to say the Knipex is around $30 to $40 for those miniatures, and a lot of people, like I, myself, absolutely love Knipex, but maybe some of you guys are on the fence about wanting to spend upwards of $40 on a miniature set of pliers if you don't know you're going to use them. Got a killer deal on the Knipex ones that I got many years ago, 10 years ago. I think I picked them up for 20 bucks. I picked them up just because they were cheap. I was like, I'll give them a try. I use those suckers all the time. They were so small and light. I kept them in my pocket, never even, it's not like they jabbed me in the side, or like they were uncomfortable to keep in your pants pocket. Like, you barely even know it's there. It's lighter and smaller than your phone. And surprisingly enough, having a set of pliers like that has just been fantastic. And WorkPro has a miniature set here, mini water pump pliers. So this is like an upgraded version of what I had for $17, and then there's 85-cent coupon here. But it's got 15 position push lock design. So I do like that it's a push lock design. It's not going to be the same quality as Knipex, but at half the price, if you want to try it out and see if it's a set of pliers that you might find yourself using, this set of pliers can be really handy depending on what you do, kind of depending on what you find yourself doing on a regular basis. But I actually found myself using a miniature set of pliers way more often than I ever thought I would. And this it seems like a good design. It's got 1-inch jaw capacity for a 4-inch pair of pliers. I think that's pretty good. 15 different locking positions. I think that's really good. Dual opposing teeth, plenty of teeth in the jaw, fine teeth in the front and back, larger teeth up there in the open jaw. Just a very versatile set. I figured I'd mention they got both the silver and the black. And this has 4.5 stars with 124 ratings. And this is the pair that I have from Knipex. Very small little set, but a really nice little set. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. Sorry about the rant. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.